I'm going to start off the day with an overview of mortality and survival in people with diabetes. So this is really going to be the background for the rest of the talk. There's going to be lots of data, so I shall try and explain. Please don't hesitate to interrupt me if you'd like me to go over anything in more detail. So this is what I'm planning to cover. Global and UK diabetes mortality. You know, diabetes is a risk for mortality, but just to put some numbers around that, along with some information about time trends. And we haven't got enough time to talk about all of the risk factors. I'm going to give some illustrations. And clearly there are opportunities for improving diabetes outcomes. And one of the key outcomes, of course, is premature death. So here's some data from the International Diabetes Federation. They publish an atlas every year, very useful information for background to talks to illustrate what a large global problem diabetes is. So the latest estimates are that there are 15 million adults with diabetes in the world. In the UK, the estimates from this source are 3.1 million. And so this is an estimate of both diagnosed and undiagnosed diabetes.